Good morning, all of you. Welcome to my channel, Maths World of HBK. Thank you for watching my previous videos and subscribing me and giving like. So, this is the new topic of pair of linear equations. So, this is our topic, that is table for graphical representation of pair of linear equations. By this table, we can easily decide whether our lines is intersecting, coincident or parallel. So which are the conditions? So here we see first two equations. If a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are two pair of linear equations. So, by comparing, first condition there is by comparing, suppose a1 and a2. So, a1 raised to a2 is not equal to b1 raised to b2. So, we get intersecting lines. Graphically, we get intersecting lines, and so that we can say algebraically, that is, we get unique solution. Next, the second condition is there. If we compare the ratios, so a1 raised to a2 equal to b1 raised to b2 equal to c1 raised to c2. So we get coincident line. If this condition follows, so we get coincident lines. Algebraically, we get infinitely many solutions. Next, the third condition is there. If the ratio a1 raised to a2 equal to b1 raised to b2, but the third ratio c1 raised to c2 is not equal to the both a1 raised to a2 and b1 raised to b2, so we get the parallel lines. Parallel lines. In this condition, we get the no solution. No solution. So this is the table for our graphical representation of pair of linear equations, so that we can decide whether our lines is intersecting lines, coincident lines or parallel lines. So after that we will see the examples on it. So this is our first example from class 10, exercise 3.2. So here the example is, find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. So this is first example. So here phi u x is the first equation. Phi u x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 is first equation. Second, 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. This is our second equation. So it is our answer of this solution of this example. Phi u x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. It is our first equation. Now equation 1 compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So here when we compare, so we get a1 equal to 5, b1 equal to minus 4, c1 equal to 8. Now second equation is 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. This is our second equation. Now equation 2 compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2. So here we get coefficient a2 equal to 7, b2 equal to 6, c2 equal to minus 9, because here plus and here minus, so we get a minus 9. Now these are the coefficients of these equations. Now we compare it by using ratios. So a1 upon a2, we get a1 upon a2 means 5 upon 7, b1 upon b2, so we get 4 upon 6. 4 upon 6 we can simplify it as 4 is coming in table of 2 and 6 is coming in table of 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So we simplify it in the 2 upon 3. Now if we observe, so ratio a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 is not equal. So here, so we get a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Therefore we can say that pair of the lines are intersect at a point. This is our second example, that is 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 and 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Here it is our first equation, 9 plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. So we give here equation number 1. Here equation 1 compare with equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. If we observe, so when we comparing equation a1 plus b1 plus c1 with 9x plus 12, so we get a1 as a coefficient equal to 9 and b1 as a coefficient equal to 3 and c1 as a constant, that is 12. So we get here all the coefficients. Now it is our second equation, that is 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. It is our second equation. So equation 2, compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now here equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 compare with our 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. So if you observe, so a2 coefficient equal to 18 and b2 coefficient equal to 6 and c2 as a constant equal to 24. C2 constant equal to 24. Now we will compare these ratios a1 upon a2. So we get here 9 upon 18. So 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So we simplify in the 1 by 2. Now we compare the ratio. We see the ratio b1 upon b2. So here b1 is 3 and b2 is 6. Now we see the ratio c1 upon, here we simplify first it 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, so 1 by 2. Now we see the ratio c1 upon c2 equal to 12 upon 24. So now we simplify this ratio. So 12 1s are 12 and 12 2s are 24. So we reduce in the form of 1 by 2. All the ratios we reduce in the form of 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So here we observe that all the ratios are similar. So we can write it. So we get all the ratios are similar. A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. Therefore, lines of pair of equations are coincident. Now we move on our third example, that is 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Here our solution. So here 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. It is our first equation. Now this equation number 1, compare with equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Now if you observe, so our coefficient a1 equal to 6, a1 equal to 6, b1 equal to -3, c1 that is constant equal to 10. So here we get the coefficients a1 equal to 6, b1 equal to -3, c1 equal to 10. Now our second equation, that is 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. This is our second equation. Equation 2 compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here a2 coefficient a2 equal to 2, coefficient b2 equal to -1, because here is nothing, that is therefore -1, because it is positive, so we get -1. Now constant c2 equal to 9. Next we have to compare the ratios. So we first see the ratios a1 upon a2. So here we get a1, that is 6, a2 equal to 2. Now we reduce it. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So we get 3 upon 1. Now second ratio, that is b1 upon b2. Here we have a b1 equal to -3 and b2 equal to -1. So we have to see there negative -3, negative -1. So negative get cancelled. So we get our ratio 3 upon 1. Next we move to the ratio c1 upon c2. So here c1 is 10 and c2 is 9. So we can't reduce it. So we compare the ratio. If we compare the ratio a1 upon a2, that is 3 upon 1, b1 upon b2, that is 3 upon 1. So we can say that, so we get a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2. But if we compare the c1 upon c2, that ratio, so we get 10 upon 9. So here that is not equal to both the ratio, that is a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2. So we can say that this c1 upon c2 is not equal to both the ratios. So we get the condition, that is therefore the lines of pair of linear equations are parallel.